na to. Eh, may mga AKA pa. Ikaw nga, ay yung mga chong-chong kayo eh.
Ayan. From Philippines again, of course. Again, Mr. Armando Samarantino, a.k.a. Mandong Bagsik. Wow.
Mandong Bagsik. So, judges, would you like to ask something? Hi, good evening. How are you? What you gonna perform for tonight?
This is my composition.
Rapping composition. Hindi just rapping, ha?
Personal rap composition. Mandong Bagsik for you.
Did you perform this to a different... This is the first time.
First time po.
Okay, let me just ask this, okay? Are you a professional rapper back home or this is just one of your hobbies?
This is my first time.
Okay, so it's the first time in Twister Club. Okay.